Hello, people. This is a remarkable book that I began reading today, and it's called Wheat Belly. Uh, Wheat Belly, and it has more than 1 million copies sold, which honestly, considering the population of the planet is 7 billion, I feel 7 billion copies need to be sold of this book called Wheat Belly. And it's all about the fact that you know wheat, which we consider so good for health, is in fact the culprit behind, right from diabetes to schizophrenia to even cancer, is all related to the fact that the wheat that we eat today is been genetically modified to so that there's more yield of it, due to which it is like it's almost poison. It enters the system as poison. I mean, as in, the body is not able to digest this newly engineered wheat. And the wheat has been made such, like, as in maida is very it can be made into a pizza. It's very that pull and stretchy sort of feeling. No, this is something that a certain naturopathy doctor in Kodaikanal told me, that we tend to like pizza and all because it has that like, as it is in meat, right, that pull, that certain thing. So I mean, wheat also is not far behind, because chapatis and these things get made out of wheat. So that's what people, when you read the book The Wheat Belly, it is such an eye opener. Oh my god, it's 260 pages, will blow your mind. So that's what, it's crossed a 1 minute video, but this is something I had to say, because really, if you want good health, stay away from wheat. You can switch to other carbohydrate sources like rice and oats and corn and so many other potatoes and all, but wheat as such should be avoided. So really, people, it's crossed a 2 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.